in the last session, whatever we discussed, sir. What is the syntax of slice operator? Can you spell out? Matter of just 1 minute. Yes, okay. Yes, of begin index, next and after that end index, next and after that step value. Regarding this is the syntax for slice operator, right? Now the step value can be either positive. Step value can be either positive or negative. Regarding step value can be either positive or negative. Sir, if a step value is a positive, if a step value is positive, then automatically is it forward direction or backward direction? Yes, man. Can you respond? If the step value is positive, then is it forward direction or backward direction? Yes, it is forward direction. Correct. If the step value is positive, then it's forward direction. Then it is always going to consider from begin to end -1. Are you able to understand that? Then it's always going to consider from begin to end -1. Okay. If a step value is a negative, then automatically can you spell out, sir, what will happen? If step value is negative, then sir, it's always what direction? Backward direction. Backward direction is always backward direction. Next, it is always going to consider from begin to end +1. Regarding begin to end +1. But anyway, if this value is 0, then automatically we are always getting empty string, sir, related to that. Okay, that part I will take care, sir. Related to that part I will take care. Don't worry much about that terminology, right? Okay, sir. Now this is about the behavior, whatever we discussed in the last session about slice operator, right? Almost around 40 minutes we discussed only on slice operator, right? Okay, sir, what is the next cinema we require to talk about that? What is the next one we have to talk about? Just there are some more important points are there, sir. Just anyway, most of the people already aware, sir. Mathematical operators, what you can apply for the string. Regarding mathematical operators, what we can apply? Mathematical operators, what we can apply for the string, sir? Do you know what operators we can able to apply, sir? There are two mathematical operators we can able to apply. What is the first one, sir? Sir, plus and then what? Star. Regarding what is the first one? Plus and then star. Like two operators by default we can able to apply for the string. I hope you people may aware. Sir, what is the meaning of plus operator? Can you spell out, sir? What is the meaning of plus operator? Plus operator. Can you spell out? Yes, man. What is the meaning of plus operator? Concatenation. Plus operator means concatenation, right? Sir, what is the meaning of concatenation? Just a very simple, sir. If I can take S is equal to Durga plus soft, like this I'm taking, sir. S is equal to Durga soft, like this I'm taking. Then automatically what the result by default we are going to get? If you print yes, sir, merging two strings into a single string, that thing is by default considered, yeah, sir, concatenation operator, right? But related to concatenation operator, there is one small twist is there. What is that twist, sir? Just observe, if you want to apply plus operator for the string, compulsory both the arguments should be string type only. Remember that, sir. One is the string, but the second one is not string. One is the string, but second one is not string. Then immediately we are going to get error. Remember that, sir. Both arguments should be string type only. By mistake, if both arguments are not string type, then sir, it is not concatenation operator. Remember, one is a string, but the other one is some number or something, like immediately we are going to get a error, right? Okay, have a look once. Have a look once, sir. Sir, here just I'm taking sir, py Python. Here just have a look once, sir. Sir, here I'm taking Durga plus soft, like this I'm taking, sir. Durga plus soft. What the answer by default we are going to get? Durga soft, right? Sir, Durga plus 10 I'm taking. Have you observed, right? Sir, in Java, most of the people who are coming from Java background, sir, in the Java, plus operator acts as string concatenation. In Java, if at least one argument is the string type, then second operator can be anything, no problem at all, sir. The result is always a string type. It is always acts as concatenation only. But in Python, the rule got changed. Remember that, sir. If you want to apply plus operator for the string, compulsory both arguments should be string type only. Otherwise, we are going to get error, sir. Have you observed, right? So type error must be str, but not int. Clear, right? So type error we are going to get must be str, but not int. Clear, right? So plus operator you can apply between string types, no problem at all. Regarding plus operator, you can apply between strings, no problem at all, sir. Okay, make sure. But if you want to apply plus operator between the strings, compulsory both arguments should be string type only. By mistake, one is the string, but the other one is the number. Immediately we are going to get error. Everyone can able to understand? Yes. Are you in a position to understand, right? Sir, this is about plus operator, right? We covered already in the operators concept. Sir, next star operator. Star operator is also known as. Anyone can you please tell? Anyone can you please tell? Sir, what is the star operator? Anyone can you spell out, sir? Star operator. Okay, simply acts as, sir, string repetition operator. Regarding string repetition operator, right? Repetition operator. Sir, there are some people who are asking, yes, okay, repetition, string repetition operator, right? So I'm seeing most of the people response is repeat, like I thought that, okay, they didn't understand this plus operator. I require to repeat once again, like, no. Okay, you are telling this is repeat operator, right? Okay, well, sir, now star means string repetition operator, right? Sir, if I can take Durga into, sir, 5, I'm taking, sir, into 5, then automatically Durga is going to be considered how many times, right? 5 times. Remember this one. If you want to apply star operator, repetition operator for the string, compulsory one argument should be string type, the other one should be int type. Remember that, sir. Int type. First argument should be string type, second argument should be int type. Make sure, sir. Okay, now have a look once about this terminology, sir. I'm taking Durga into 5. Regarding Durga into 5, so 5 times Durga is going to be repeated, right? Okay, sir, similarly, sir, can I take 5 into Durga? Can you spell out, is it valid or not? 5 into Durga, is it valid or not? Yes, sir, you can take in any order, no problem at all. But whenever we are using star operator, compulsory one argument should be int type, the other argument should be, sir, string type. That's all. In either first you are taking string or second one you are taking string, no problem at all, sir. Both the things are perfectly acceptable. Clear, right? Yes, man. So these are the two mathematical operations which are allowed for the string. Already we discussed very in detail in the operators concept. Not required to spend much time about these bloody operators because already we discussed it in detail, sir. Okay, sir. Now what is the next one, sir? What is the next one? A small chota applications we can able to develop, sir. Here just have a look once, sir. I want to know how many characters are there present in the string. Sir, I want to know how many characters are there present in the string. That's about my requirement, right? Can you please tell, anyone, can you please tell what is the base, sir? Len of yes. Remember that, len of yes, sir. Okay, so Python contain inbuilt function length to know number of characters present in the string. If I use the word, okay, len of Durga, can you spell out what the answer, sir? Length of Durga, what the answer we are going to get, sir? 5. Sir, I hope in the last session somewhere in some example we used already this one, correct, right? Somewhere we used already this one in the last example somewhere. Okay, len of Durga is nothing but 5 by default we are going to get, sir. Sir, make sure. So Python contain inbuilt function len to find the number of characters present in the string. Okay, remember that. Sir, now I have one small requirement is there, sir. What is my requirement is, sir, write a program. Can you please write a program, sir, to access each character. Are you getting? To access each character of string in forward direction, in forward direction, and the backward direction, in forward direction and the backward direction, right? Sir, can you spell out? I want to print in forward direction and backward direction. Sir, very easy by using slice operator. Correct or not? Very easy by using slice operator. Correct? Okay, we can print either in the forward direction or in the backward direction. Very easy, sir. Forward direction, if I want to print the characters, can you please tell the way? Can you please tell the way? Okay, like that's all. Then automatically all characters by default are going to come in the picture or not? Yes, sir. Yes, that's all. This thing is also by default enough, sir. Sir, I want sir, reverse. Are you getting reverse order? Can you please tell what is the way, sir? Colon -1, colon -1. If you can take all the characters will be represented forward direction, forward direction. But if I can take like this, all the characters represented in reverse direction, right? Reverse means backward direction, right? Sir, this is normal slice operator. Sir, I don't want to use slice operator. Can you please print all the characters by using while loop? Are you getting right? By using while loop. This is about my requirement, right? Sir, can you please print by using while loop? What is the way? What is the way, sir? Very simple. Anyone? Can you please guide? I want to print. I want to print all characters. I want to print all characters, sir, of the string in forward direction, in backward direction by using while loop. This is about my requirement, right? Okay. Anyone? Yes. Can you please tell what is the code I require to take, sir? Yes. What is the code I require to take? Okay. Let me read. Let me read, sir, the string from the keyboard. Are you getting? Let me read the string from the keyboard. Sir, yes is equal to input enter some string. Are you getting? Enter some string. Okay, like enter some string like this I'm taking, sir. Well, I got the string, right? You can enter anything, no problem at all. Sir, n is equal to ler. Yes, sir. Sir, how many characters are there? How many characters are there? Then automatically I will get n, no problem at all. Sir, I is equal to 0. Sir, index value I is equal to 0, sir. Sir, now my requirement is while, sir, I want to print forward direction. Print forward direction. I want to print the data in forward direction, right? Okay, data in forward direction. Okay, or characters in forward direction, right? Sir, what is the way? Anyone? Can you please guide? While I is lesser than n. Are you getting? While I is less than n, because sir, I is nothing but something like index. That's why print yes of I. I don't want to use a slice operator. That's why I have this type of printer. Yes of I. Next, after that, can you please increment the I value? Are you getting? So now take a bit very special care about this terminology, right? Sir, observe a bit carefully. My requirement is read some string from the keyboard and print data print data do you know in forward direction. This is about my requirement, right? If I can take like this, now observe this one. Yes, exit here py test.py. Can you please enter some string, sir? Okay, sir, Durga software solutions, something like I'm taking, sir. Can you please observe? What is the output by default? You are going to get character by character. All the characters are coming in the forward direction or not? Yes. But anyway, my requirement is, sir, these many lines I don't want. Have you remember, sir, every time print is always going to print in the next line only. Don't print next line, sir, in the continuation only. Are you getting? What I will take, sir, end is equal to like this. Are you getting? Somewhere in the last sessions I covered SCP attribute, end attribute, like we covered already. Sir, end is nothing but nothing. Now all the characters will come in only forward direction, right? Okay, like now observe that in the same line all the characters by default is going to come, sir. Enter some string, Durga. Next one after that software, Durga, software solutions, like this. Sir, have you observed data in forward direction? Yes, the same style by default is going to come. Now, can you please guide data in backward direction? Can you spell out? Anyone? Print of data in backward direction. Can you please guide, sir? I don't know. Backward direction. How you can able to print, sir? Good. How you can able to print? While off, can you please tell what is your condition? Sir, you have to move in reverse. Are you getting that? You have to move in reverse. So don't use slice operator. Aditi, I don't want to use slice operator. That's about my requirement, right? What I will take here is what I will take, the data we require to read in reverse direction, right? Okay, sir, already n is equal to, already n is equal to length is there. Okay, n is equal to length is there. What I will take here is, sir, n dot, sir, here just observe that I'm taking I is equal to, now I is equal to, sir, n minus 1. I'm taking I is equal to n minus 1. Suppose assume that, sir, Durga is there. Okay, my string is Durga. Are you getting? My content is nothing but something like Durga is there, sir. Can you please tell what is the index? Right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir, can I use the word it is minus 1 or not? Can I use the word length minus 1 or not? Yes. N is nothing but what? Length of, yes, sir. Length minus 1. Oh, length minus 1. Under now onwards decrease. Decrease. Automatically the corresponding character by default we are going to get. Sir, please guide. What is the next line I have to take? While I is greater than or equal to 0. While I is greater than or equal to 0, can you please print off s of I? Organic, can you please print off s of I, comma, n is equal to, like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, now I value should be decremented or incremented? Can you spell out? I value should be incremented or decremented? I value should be decremented because we are moving right. That's why. Sir, most of the people I'm seeing, sir, take a bit very, very special care. Praveen, Vedant Tiwari, you people are coming from Java background, it seems, sir. Do you know most of the people are telling I minus. Are getting I minus. Increment and decrement operators not allowed, not there in the Python. Correct, right? Not there in the Python. That's why I is equal to I minus 1 only you require to take, sir. Now have a look once. Enter some string. Okay, Durga, I'm entering. Data in forward direction, sir, Durga. Next one after the data in backward direction are good. Are you getting ready? Sir, AGRUD, reverse is coming. Sir, next after printing this, let me take one line I want. That's why I want one blank line. That's why like this I'm taking. Now observe that you can take anything. Sir. Okay, sir, here Satya Subudhi. Are you new student? Satya? Yes, ma'am. I'm Satya. Are you new? Okay. Yeah. Now, yes. Here Subudhi. Okay, like I'm taking like this. Now have a look once, sir. Sir, this is original. Data in backward direction is nothing but like this. I hope everyone can able to understand, right? Sir, how to print string? How to print data present inside the string or characters in the string in forward direction or in the backward direction? Sir, this is one logic I'm using. This is the one logic I'm using, sir. Like this, you can use for loop, you can use, or you can use while loop instead of taking positive index. Even negative index also. We can able to do, sir. Okay, remember this, sir. Sir, even in negative index also we can able to do that. Okay, make sure, sir. Sir, now what is my requirement is same thing with the negative index I want to do, sir. Okay, data in backward direction again data in backward direction I'm taking, sir. Again, data in backward direction I'm taking. Sir, what I want to take? I is equal to -1. Remember, I is equal to -1. Sir, now while I is, sir, -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. Sir, while I is greater than or equal to -n. Remember this one. While I is greater than or equal to -n. So print of s of I. Next I is equal to I -1. Sir, first now take a bit very special care, sir. Assume that this is Durga. Assume that sir, my string is Durga, something like this. Sir, D, next and after that U, next and after that R, G, A. Okay, like. Sir, now this is -1, this is the -2, next this one is the -3, -4, and then -5. So here we observed, right? Sir, first -1, next and after that -1, sir, next index is -2, then -1, for that again -1. Now -2, again -1. Have you observed, right? This is I is equal to I -1 again. Sir, until I value greater than or equal to -5. Until greater than or equal to -5. Because -4 greater than -5. -3 greater than -5. Are you getting that? Like you can able to take, sir. Clear? This is also another alternative way. Now observe that. Enter some string, Durga. Enter some string, data in forward direction, Durga. Data in backward direction, sir, Agrod. Data in backward direction, again Agrod. Okay, like you should aware, sir. Okay, so this type of small things, you can able to print. Remember, you can able to continue, right? If you are practicing these small things, then sir, even tomorrow a big thing is going to come. You can able to solve very easily, right? Clear? Yes, ma'am. Okay, sir, now there are several important questions they are going to ask. Several important questions, maybe a chance of asking, sir, what about my requirement is? Of course, sir, here just I'm providing a hint. Maybe in the future somewhere I'm going to cover, sir. Okay, sir, maybe in the future I'm going to discuss. Suppose my requirement is, listen a bit carefully. Write a program to reverse characters of the string. Are you getting? Write a program to reverse characters of the string. Already we did, right? Can you please reverse characters of the string? Okay, like next, write a program, sir, to remove duplicate characters from the string. To remove duplicate characters from the string. This is about my requirement, right? Assume that, sir, Mississippi is there, sir. Assume that Mississippi, something like it is there. Sir, now, sir, I, yes, sir. Sir, next character is yes, already there. Next I, already there. Next yes, already there. Next P, only P. That's all. If I can give this input, then automatically you require to provide MISP. Clear for all of right? Yes, man. Are you able to understand? So to remove duplicates from the given string, okay, like you should aware. Next and after that, it is sir, do you know, sir, each character, how many times it is presenting? Are you getting? Each character, how many times it is presenting, sir? It is presenting. Sir, you people should aware. Sir, M, how many times it is available, sir? Can you spell out? M is only one. But I, how many times it is available, sir? I, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, sir. Next and after that, yes, sir. How many times it is available, sir? Sir, 4 times again. Are you getting? 4 times again. P, how many times it is available, sir? 2. Sir, you have to write a program to spell out each character present how many times in the given string. Sir, observe. Sir, some people are asking, sir, we want some practice assignments. Can you please tell some assignments like for them? You require to aware, sir. Okay, sir. Next and after that, here this is one thing. Next, another thing, sir. Take very special care about this one. So now my next level requirement is, yes. Now my next level requirement is, sir, if I provide Durga software software solutions. Durga, software solutions. I want a reverse. I want a reverse. Reverse. But my reverse is what by what reverse? Are you getting? Durga only. Here Durga only will be there. But A, G, or U, D. Are you getting? First what reverse? Under then space. Sorry. Under then space. Under then space. Now the second word has to reverse. Are you getting? Second word has to reverse. E, R, A, W, yeah, S, sorry, T, T, F, O, yes, yes, like this, right? Okay. Sir, now observe that. Don't use slice operator, these kind of things. Don't use any slice operator, these kind of things. Shortcut. Sir, write the code like word wise you require to reverse. Word wise you require to reverse. Like, sir, maybe a chance of n number of questions you can able to frame like this. But to answer these kind of questions, if you are going to complete the collections concept, I mean set concept, dictionary concept, then our life will become very easy. Okay. After completing list, set, dictionaries, please remind once these type of questions around the minimum 10 we are going to practice, so that you will get much clarity in the concepts also. Clear, right? Are you able to understand? Just I'm giving just a sample. Oh, these type of requirements are also there, sir. For the interview room, sir, these are a bit important, sir. Okay, just remind after completing collections concept. I mean, set, list, dictionary in detail. Then you can able to easily answer, sir. Okay, like now, can I go to the next level? That's all, sir. This is about what is the length of function. Length of function. How you can able to check, sir, print the data either in the forward direction or in the backward direction, right? Next, for the string, there are two operators you can apply. Membership operators, sir, we covered already. Membership operators, right? Okay, we can apply membership operators. How you can able to do, sir? Sir, have you remembered, right? Have you? I hope you people may remember in operator and the not in. Are getting in operator and the not in. These two operators are by default considered membership operators, right? Okay. Sir, now my requirement is a simple example I want to talk, sir. Observe that. You can very easily able to understand. Sir, yes is equal to Durga. Yes is equal to Durga, sir. Sir, now print D in yes or not. Are getting print D in yes or not? What the answer? Array, print of D in yes. What the answer? True, because it's already available, right? That's why. Next, print of Z in yes or not. Print of Z in yes or not. Okay, like sir, first time true is the answer by default we are going to get, but second time false is the answer we will get. Just observe that. Same example, but make sure, sir, indentation is the very important. Indentation is the very important. First time true, second time false, sir. Sir, in and not in. These two operators are by default considered as membership operators. Happily, we can apply membership operators for the string also. Clear? Are you able to understand? Okay, sir, now let me go for a small next level example. What my requirement is, enter some string, enter some substring also. Write a program to read the main string, substring from the keyboard. Your Python program has to check whether the specified substring is available or not available. Are you getting? Sir, you have to tell, is it available or not available? Sir, substring. But main string, substring, both you require to provide from the keyboard, sir. Remember that. Sir, now I'm taking here just to take a bit special case. S is equal to input of enter main string. Enter main string, sir. Okay, sir. Now sub yes is nothing but input of enter substring to search. Sir, I want to search whether this one is available or not. This is about my requirement, right? Now you are entering two things. Can you please guide what is the next code? Yes, man. What is the next code? Can you please guide what is the next one? Sir, now what I want to take, if okay, sub yes in yes. If sub yes in yes, print of sub yes, sir, is found, sub yes is found in main string. Are you getting? In main string, like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, like, sir, else I'm taking. Here just observe that, else print same thing, just with the contradiction I'm going to take, sir. Beyond that, nothing. Substring is not found, in main string. A simple example, sir. Have you observed how to use in operator, how to use not in operator? Now you can able to understand. Sir, if it is available, then automatically please print substring is available. If it is not available, then automatically print like this. Okay. Now have a look once. Enter main string. Enter main string, sir. My main string is Sam Durga soft, like this, right? Sir, can you please enter substring to search Durga. Is it available or not? Array Durga is available or not? Yes. What is the answer by default you are going to get? Durga is found in main string. Regarding Durga is found in main string. Let me check, sir. Sir, Durga soft. Sir, now I'm taking, sir, just I'm taking Nazir. Okay, Nazir, like this I'm taking. Can you please tell, is it available or not available? Sir, Nazir is not found in main string. Clear, right? So for the string, happily we can allow to use these membership operators also, whether a particular substring is available or not available. How you can able to check, sir? Sir, by using membership operators. Now membership operators, any doubt? Hey, please respond. Any doubt about membership operators? Clear for all of you, right? Okay, sir, now can I go for the next one? Here, Lejan, a bit very carefully about this one, sir. What is the next one? Sir, now can I apply comparison operators for the string or not? Yes, man. We covered, sir, these things in the last session. Comparison operators for the string or not? Yes, we can apply, sir. Make sure, matter of 1 minute, because already we discussed in the operators concept. That's why not required to discuss much in detail. Comparison operators, right? Sir, greater than we can use, greater than or equal to we can use, lesser than we can use, less than or equal to we can use. Comparison operators we can apply. Next, even equality operators also we can apply. Are you getting? Even equality operators also. Double equal, next and after that, what is that? Not equal. Remember that. Double equal, and after that, not equal operators also we can able to apply. Remember. Sir, now I have one small doubt, sir. Okay? Remember this point already I covered. Sir, these operators always going to check alphabetical order. Are you getting that? Always going to check alphabetical order, dictionary order. How it is going to check? Sir, dictionary order. Okay, alphabetical order. Or otherwise, we can use the word, sir, in other words, Unicode. Based on Unicode comparison is going to be happen. Are you getting? Based on Unicode comparison is going to be happen. Sir, A is there. What is the Unicode of small a? Respond. What is the Unicode of small a? 97. Capital A, what is the Unicode? 65. Are you getting 65? So capital A, small a, which is bigger? Array, capital A, small a, which is bigger? Capital A is sir, smaller, small a is the bigger. Correct, right? Because according to Unicode, 97 is bigger than 65. That's why small a is bigger than capital A. Remember that. Alphabetical order is nothing but something like this. Sir, now my requirement is a small chota program we are going to discuss, right? Enter 2 strings from the keyboard. How many strings I have to take, sir? 2 strings from the keyboard. Now you require to write a program to check whether the given 2 strings are equal or not, both are equal or not. Next, if not equal, if the first string is less than second string, or first string is greater than second string, like you have to tell, array, both are equal or not. If not equal, sir, which is the smaller or which is the bigger? First string is smaller than second string, or first string is bigger than second string, like you have to tell. Sir, now I have one small doubt is there. First string is Durga, second string is Durga. What is your answer? What my expected answer? If I provide Durga, what is my expected answer? Right, please respond, man. Both the strings are equal. Excellent. Okay. First string is Durga. Second string I'm taking Nazir. Okay, Nazir. Like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, can you please tell what is the answer we are going to get? Durga is smaller than Nazir. Correct or not? Durga is smaller than Nazir. That's why I can use the word first string is lesser than second string. Second string. Suppose I'm taking, okay, Genu, like this I'm taking Genu. Sir, now Durga. Durga. What is the answer, sir? Durga. Is greater than, or getting first string is larger than second string. Correct or not? Geno is the bigger than second string. Make sure, sir. Okay. Like this is what you people should aware. Now, this is about my requirement. How you can able to do that, sir? Yes. Anyone can you please guide? S1 is equal to S1 is equal to input of enter first string. S1 is equal to input of enter first string. Then S2 is equal to input of enter second string. Like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, sir, enter any strings you can able to enter, sir, no problem at all. Now if please guide, sir, if S1 double equal to S2. Sir, now I have one bigger doubt. Double equal operator meant for content comparison. Double equal operator meant for content comparison or reference comparison. Remember, content comparison or reference comparison? Content comparison only. Okay, but very unfortunate, in Java, it is the reference comparison. In Java, it is the reference comparison. But here, content comparison. Even it is a different object. This one is also different object. No problem. But content is the same or not? Content is the same or not? Like it's going to check, sir. Okay. If S1 double equal to S2, it is always going to check content comparison only. Now print of. Here I'm taking. Sir, both the strings are equal. Both the strings are equal. Like this I'm taking, sir. Both are equal. Next, else elif. Are you getting right? Else elif. Then S1 lesser than S2. Are you getting? Elif S1 lesser than S2. Sir, now take a bit very special care. Announcing. But in this case, both are pointing to the same. Suppose string objects are what we call immutable. String objects are immutable. So maybe a chance of reusing. Okay, no problem at all. But it's always going to check. Not only here, sir. If you can consider list objects, everywhere double equal operator meant for content comparison. Sir, in the case of string, maybe both are pointed to the same, but content is the same or not. That's what it is always going to check. In general, remember, sir, in general, okay, double equal operator always meant for double equal operator always meant for one content comparison. But is operator, are you getting? What is this? Another operator is there. What is this one, sir? A is B or not? Is operator meant for anyone? Can you please tell? Is operator meant for reference comparison, address comparison, right? Reference comparison, address comparison, make sure. Sir, in the string case, we may not be in a position to tell, because the reason is string case, both references always point to the same. But sir, if I consider non-string, then you can able to see the difference clearly, right? But anyway, this part, let me, after completing our example, I will discuss with some another example. Then you people can get much clarity. But as of now, strict to the double equal operator always meant for what? Content comparison only, but not reference comparison in Python. Remember that. Sir, now if elif S1 is less than L2, what I have to take, sir? Print of first string. Print of first string is smaller than second string. First string is smaller than second string, like this. Else print of first string. Can I spell out, sir? First string is bigger than second string. Again, first string is bigger than second string, like this. I hope clear. Are you able to understand a small chota program? Chota program. It is always going to take two string objects. Now it is going to consider which is the bigger, which is the smaller, right? Clear? Yes, man. Up to this is the clear. Can I go for a small? Can I run this code? Okay. Have a look once. Have a look once, sir. I'm taking, yes. Enter first string Durga. Enter second string Durga. What the answer we are getting? Both the strings are equal. Correct. My expected answer only. Sir, enter first string Durga. Enter second string Nazir. Okay. Like first string is smaller than second string. Correct. Because according to alphabetical order, first string is smaller than second string. Now here enter first string. Enter first string. Okay. Here first string is sir something like Genu. Enter second string. Enter second string Durga. Are you getting Durga? Sir, now what is the answer by default you are going to get, sir? First string is bigger than second string. Are you able to understand, right? Yes, man. Are you in a position to understand, right? Okay, that's all. Sir, this is about how you can able to compare. How you can able to compare like this, right? Okay. Next, one more. Just the one person is requesting. Observe that carefully. Sir, now my first one enter first string D-U-R-G-A. Are you getting D-U-R-G-A? Aditi, same, right? Now second string is Durga. Can you please tell what the answer? What the answer we are going to get? First string is smaller than or bigger than? First string is smaller than or bigger than? Smaller than or bigger than? First string is smaller than second string. Smaller than second string. Because the reason is capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. Which is bigger? Small d the bigger. Small d the bigger. According to Unicode values. Have you observed, right? Sir, if you observe, according to Unicode values, A. What is the Unicode value? 65. But small a, what is the Unicode value? 97. Are you getting? Then automatically capital D is smaller, sir, when compared with the small d. Remember that. That's why capital D is the smaller. Now observe the answer. Observe the answer. First string is smaller than second string. Everyone can able to understand, right? Okay, now let me run once again. Sir, here just I'm taking Ramya like this. I'm taking, sir. Ramya like this I'm taking. Now enter first string. Now I'm taking Ramulamma. I'm taking, sir. Okay, Ramya, Ramulamma like. Can you please tell what is the output by default you are going to get? Yes, first string is smaller or bigger? First string is smaller or bigger? I want only two things, sir. Smaller, first string is smaller or bigger? Sir, first one matched, R matched. Second one, A matched. Third one, M matched. Fourth one, Y and U. Y and U. Sir, which is bigger? Y is the bigger or U is the bigger? U, V, W, X, Y. Y is the bigger. That's why Ramya, I mean first string is bigger than second string. Are you getting? First string is bigger than second string. Mahesh. What the answer we are going to get? First string is bigger than second string. Okay. Now, have you observed, right? Have you observed, right? First string is bigger than second string. What is the reason for that? Is here Y itself is nothing but, sir, upper than this one. So if the first characters are matched, second characters and so on, it's going to check, sir. Okay, like, sir, the remaining possibilities you can able to analyze, sir. Okay, that's all. Don't worry about that. This is just this is just a small example what we have. Okay, with the space characters, alphabet, numeric characters, like you can able to take. Then immediately you may ask, what is the Unicode value of space, or what is the Unicode value of digits and so on. Just in the Google unicode.org. If you open this website, unicode.org, then automatically for each and every character you can able to find Unicode values, right? But in Python there is a way to identify Unicode values also. That part I will discuss, don't worry. Okay, that's all. This is about how to compare how to compare strings concept, right? Clear? Are you able to understand? Sir, it is not going to check, it is not going to check, it's not going to check length of the strings. Remember this one. It is always going to check, it is not going to check length of the strings. It is always going to check alphabetical order. Remember. Sir, can you please tell, A, my first string is A, sir. A, only one thing. Second string is Z. Can you please tell which one is the bigger? Which one is the bigger? A is bigger than this one also. A is bigger than this one also. Because the reason is small a 97, capital Z less than 97 only. Less than 97 only. That's why, sir, this one is bigger than like this. Clear? Okay. Next, there is Sir Aditi. She's asking only one. Let me take. Sir, what 9, okay, here just I'm taking 9 Durga, next and after that Durga 9. Sir, can you please observe what is the Unicode value of 9? What is the Unicode value of 9? Sir, Unicode value of 9 definitely less than Unicode value of D only. Remember that Unicode value of small d is 100, sir. Unicode value of 9 definitely is less than. Okay, what is the answer? By default we are going to get first string is smaller than second string. Aditi, are you able to understand? Okay, well, sir, now here just sir, that's all. I'm not going to take multiple examples, because if you are keep on doing the same, only one example will be covered throughout the session. Okay, not good. What there inside logic is also not there, man. Alphabetical order. That's all. That is the comparison of what is going to do that. Sir, now observe, if the first string is Ram, Ram, and second string is Ram Narayan, like. Can you please tell, sir, which one is going to be, which one is the bigger? Sir, now observe, sir, first one is the Ram, second one is like. Sir, can you please tell which one is the bigger? Obviously, second one by default is going to be bigger. Second one is going to be bigger, because here nothing is there. Maybe it's going to consider as 0 something like this. Let me cross check, sir. Ram, I'm taking Ram Narayan. Okay, Ram Narayan, like this I'm taking. Have you observed, right? First string is smaller than second string. Correct? Is it our expected answer or not? First string is smaller than second string. Yes, because here RJM completed, but here still letters are there. That is so happily we can use comparison operator. No problem at all for the string objects, right? Membership operators you can apply. Next, equality operators you can apply. Next, and after that, comparison operators you can able to apply. No problem at all. Sir, just Anand Singh asked one small question, sir. Sir, make sure. Even it's very important for the interview room. Very important for the interview room. That's why, sir, let me talk about that. What is the difference between double equal operator and the is operator, right? Very important question for the interview room. What is the difference between double equal operator and the E? Sir, A double equal to B. A is B. Already we covered. Yes, just a matter of 1 minute. Repetition. Vedanta. Just a matter of 1 minute. Don't worry. Sir, A double equal to B is always meant for what? Content comparison. Sir, whether these are same object or different object, I don't want to worry, sir. Content of A, content of B, both are same or not? Content of A, content of B, both are same or not? But the is operator is always going to return true if both the references point into the same object. Okay, reference comparison, right? I hope are you able to understand, right? Okay, that's all. Sir, now have you ever remembered, right? Just I'm taking matter of 1 minute, please. L1 is equal to A I'm taking, B I'm taking, next and after that C I'm taking. L1 is equal to ABC, L2 is equal to ABC, sir. L1, L2 like this. Can you please observe? Print L1 is L2. What is the answer? Please respond. L1 is L2. True or false? True or false? Ayyo. So recommended to cover this point. Okay, almost you know. Here, can you please tell, is it true or false? What the answer by default we are going to get, sir? Yes. What the answer we are going to get? Sir, make sure. Have a look once. What is the output by default we are getting? False. All the people make sure. Sir, L1, L2, both are different objects only. Remember that, sir. Both are list objects. Both are different objects only, sir. This is L1. And this is L2. Even though content is the same, but objects are different, man. Objects are different. Memory locations are different. Then automatically, do you know, sir, L1 is L2. Both are not pointing to the same object. That's why we are going to get false is the answer. Now, you people may ask, sir, where is the difference, right? Print of ID of L1. Print of ID of L1. Print of ID of L2. What is the address of first one? What is the address of second one? You can able to see, sir. Oh, first object is locating at this address 5580-760. But second object is locating at 5580-800, sir. 800. Both are different locations or not? Yes. Okay. Both are different locations, so that's why. Okay. Now, because both are different objects, man, even content is the same. Compulsory, you require to use the same object, like no rule at all. That's why, right? Sir, 1 minute. Only fundamental data types are immutable. Remember that, sir. Only fundamental data types are immutable. At that time, it is always going to use same existing object only. Somewhere we covered, maybe in the data types, maybe first video or second or third classes only. Just go through that. But these are not immutable. These are not fundamental data types. Remember that. Okay. So now, if I can use L1 double equal to L2. L1 double equal to L2. Can you please tell what the answer? L1 double equal to L2. What is the answer we are going to get, sir? True. Even objects are different, but the content is the same. Even objects are different, but the content is the same. The answer what we are going to get? True. Just all these things I am covering for Anand. Your doubt? At the same time, it is very important for the interview room sake. Remember that, sir. It's very important for the interview room sake. Okay. Double equal operator meant for. Can you spell out? Double equal operator meant for what? Oh, you respond. Double equal operator meant for what? Content comparison. Is operator meant for. Reference comparison or address comparison, right? Okay, that's all. Sir, A double equal to B. When it returns true, sir. A double equal to B. When it returns true, if the content of A and the content of B both are same, then it's going to return true. Sir, A is B. When it's going to return true, sir, if A and the B both the references point into the same object, then automatically we are going to get. True is the answer. Second one is the reference comparison. First one is content comparison, right? Clear? Yo, please respond. Are you able to understand, right? Okay, that's all. So this is about what you people should aware, sir. One small thing, okay? Sir, one small thing I'm taking. Now have a look once, sir. L3 is equal to L2. L3 is equal to L2. Can you please observe memory diagrams? L1, sir. L1. Next, L2, sir. L2. Next, L3 is equal to L2 means L3 also pointing to the same object or not? I respond. L3 is also pointing to the same object or not? Now observe L2 and L3 both are pointing to the same object. Now you can use is operator. Between these. Sir, print of L1 is L2. L1 is L2. L2 is L3. L3 like this. Please guide. What the answer? First one. What is the answer we are going to get? First one false, because L1 and L2 both are different objects. But second one is nothing but true. Observe, that is what reference comparison. Pramod, I hope are you able to understand? Pramod, are you able to understand, right? Okay, that's all. This is about what you people should be aware. What the meaning of reference comparison and the content comparison, right? Okay. Next, listen this one, sir. Very very important. In real time, these type of things are very very common, sir. Just have a look once. My programming requirement is, sir, we faced these problems, sir, in one of my previous project. Okay, I worked for do you know, this is ELISA project. You know, this is my project, sir. Okay, ELISA. I worked for ELISA. In India, we have Airtel, Idea, like in the Finland. Sir, this is ELISA, like a service provider, telecom service provider, right? I worked in that project. Next, capital of Finland is Helsinki. Okay. This is the capital, sir. Okay. In the Helsinki, IBM branch is also there, sir. We usually communicated with these people because we worked for this project. Sir, there was one time requirement is there, sir. What is the requirement is, sir? Client requirement is, there is one text box is there. Listen very carefully, sir. If it's scenario, you people should be aware. Enter. If the end user want to know customer care. Are you getting? Customer care want to know, sir, what is the customer care center, sir? Sir, you want to aware address of customer care centers in his city. This is about my requirement. Array in Hyderabad, where is the service centers are available, or customer care center is available for Sony or otherwise for LG. Where is the address? What is the address, physical address? Like I want to aware, like, sir. Now enter city name, enter city, like he has to enter. So now here definitely what he has to enter here, Helsinki. Are you getting right? Helsinki, like he has to enter. Remember this one, sir. Helsinki. This is the word he required to enter, sir. So if he required to enter Helsinki, he entered Helsinki. Then what is the response he has to get is, array in the Helsinki, these are the 4 customer care centers are available. You can you can go to any customer care center and you can talk with our customer CRO, customer relational officer, like, sir, we have to provide address 1, address 2, address 3. This is a small, sir, a requirement from the client. We developed the code very very excellently, and then we delivered and even move to the production. Sir, after moving to the production, day 1, we are getting the first ticket only. What is the complaint is, I entered Helsinki, but the response is coming, there is no city, city named with, observe very carefully, sir, there is no city named with Helsinki. Are you getting? There is no city named with Helsinki. This is the response he is getting. Sir, he is already there in the Helsinki only. Now he is telling that our application is telling that, but there is no city named with Helsinki. Then what is the feeling of that end user? Array, this application pagal, or sir, who developed this application, like, definitely is going to give left and right. Correct or not? Yes, man. Yes, have you observed, right? The problem is he entered Helsinki only. But the response is not getting. The response is always telling that there is no city named with Helsinki. Array, sir, really, it's a first ticket got raised. Okay, maybe somewhere some small mistake is there, like we thought. Next our same problem, sir, almost 10 tickets came. By end of the day, almost around 200 tickets got raised for the same problem, man. So this is the bigger problem what we have. Then automatically we analyze that. What is the problem we identified is, sir, enter city name. Okay, enter city name. Okay, now end user is required to enter city name, right? End user is required to enter city name. But in the Finland people common habit is, do you know, sir, Finland people common habit is, first they will type one space Are getting one space, and then they are going to use the city name. Are getting? They are going to use the city name. First, they already entered one or two spaces. So I'm always going to compare. In my database. Is there any city named with the space Helsinki? Sir, in my database, there is no city named with the space Helsinki. Then immediately I'm going to provide the response that there is no city named with the space Helsinki. End user is unable to see this space. He is always going to read this one only. There is no city named with Helsinki. Like immediately he is raising the ticket. Are you able to understand, right? The problem. Are you able to understand? Okay, this is, I hope you people can able to understand the requirement, right? Okay, these type of things are common. Can you please tell one small question, sir? In this scenario, whose mistake it is? End user mistake or developer mistake? End user mistake or developer mistake, or no one mistake? It is not mistake, sir. Good. End user mistake or developer mistake or tester mistake? QA. Babu. Good. Are you getting? This type of thing is, okay, first mistake, developer mistake only. While developing this code, this type of small thing also, why you didn't consider? This is a very common thing only. Why you didn't consider this one? Next and after that, okay, by mistake, developer is not considered. What the bloody tester is doing, man? Are you getting what the tester is doing? Sir, that tester should write tester case. Are you getting tester case to check these type of possibilities? But he didn't. Are you getting that? But he didn't. Surya, myself is a tester only. Don't worry. I'm handling Selenium and classes. Okay. So, bloody means just a general word. I'm not blaming any person, man. I'm handling tester classes. In the testing class, I'm always going to use being a tester, what we have to do. Like this is my common word. Okay. Now, what the tester is doing, man, tester also at least they have to identify, right? They require to identify, right? Remember, are you getting? So the important thing here is maybe a chance of this type of problems. The people who are coming from Java, have you remembered, right? We have one function is there. Yes, sir. Dot trim. Are you getting? One method is there, sir. One method is there. Trim method is there in Java. Correct, right? Sir, the same type of trimming available or not? Before comparison, can you please use a trim? Can you please use a trim like I want, sir? Sir, very simple. Assume that a small scenario. Let me go for, sir. Yes, yeah, city is equal to what I'm taking, sir? Input of, just observe a bit very carefully, sir. A small scenario maybe. Input of enter city name. Enter city name. Enter your city name, sir. Yes, I'm entering your city name. Okay. Now what I want to take is just observe that, sir. I have list is equal to list of cities present. Okay. Assume that Hyderabad. Next and after that Delhi. Next and after that Mumbai. Okay. Mumbai, like this I'm taking, sir. These are the three cities I want to consider. Okay. Bangalore people may feel. Okay. Like Bangalore. Okay. Bangalore, like I'm taking, sir. Parsardi, I hope. Okay. Now list them. Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, like this. Sir, what I want to take, if city in list, correct or not? Can you please tell? Can I able to use this one in operator? In operator meant for what? Okay. If a city in list, then automatically, okay, print, sir, your city is available and addresses and customer care centers are like dot I'm going to print, sir. Remember this one, just the one scenario. Else, sir, it is not there, sir. Print, please enter valid city name. Are you getting? Please enter a valid city name. Like this I have to take, sir. Now observe that how many cities my application is going to cover? Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore. Now have a look once. Enter your city name. Okay, sir, Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Yes, your city is available and customer care centers are XXX. Perfectly, it's valid, sir. Now enter city name. Enter city name. Sir, now by mistake, sir, one space. Next and after that, Hyderabad I'm taking. Are you getting right? Hyderabad like this. Are you please enter a valid city name. Please enter a valid city name. Suppose assume that here city not available, city not available. Please enter a valid city. Like this, assume that. Sir, by mistake I entered space Hyderabad like this. I entered Hyderabad not available. Please enter a valid city name. Are you getting right? Sir, Hyderabad not available. End user is always going to read this one only. But before that, there are two spaces are there which are not visible. Are you able to understand the problem what end user got in Finland? Yes, man. Are you able to understand the problem? He's always going to enter space at the beginning, but he's whenever it is telling, hey, there is no city named with Helsinki, please enter a valid city name, then automatically the problem is going to come. That's why before comparing the city name, if any spaces are there, you require to remove. Are you getting? It is a very common requirement, right? How you can able to remove in Python, what methods are available, right? Remember that. What methods are available in Java? The people who are coming from Java, in Java, sir, we have trim method is there, but in Python, what methods are available? Can you please observe? STRIP. How you can pronounce? Stripping. Are you getting that? Stripping is nothing but removing the spaces. Sir, now I have, sir, one method is there. L strip. Next, R strip and strip. What is the difference between these three methods? L strip. L means what? L means what? Left. Sir, in the left hand side means beginning. If you have any spaces are there, this method is going to remove spaces only at the beginning only. Okay. If you can take this one, this method is going to remove the spaces at the right hand side. Right at last. This one is going to remove the spaces. Yeah, this one is going to remove the spaces. Can I use the word all? No. Between spaces is never, in between the string, if spaces are there, it never going to remove. Only beginning and end. Are you getting? Only beginning and the end. Sir, at the beginning, if you added any space, or at the end, if you added any space, then automatically that spaces only will be removed. Remember that. Sir, now I'm taking here observe city dot. What is the method? City dot. What is the method we require to take, sir? Strip. Are you getting? City dot strip. Okay, like if city dot strip in list. Sir, strip method is nothing but what? If you are adding any spaces at the beginning or at the end, those spaces automatically will be removed. Sir, parts are there. Are you able to understand? Yes. What is the meaning of strip method, sir? To remove the spaces present at beginning of the string and the end of the string. Parts are there. Are you able to understand? Yes. Sir, now after removing the spaces, now the result is in the list like this, right? Now have a look once. Sir, spaces. Hyderabad. Okay, spaces like this I told. Sir, your city is available and sir, customer care centers are XXX. Are you able to understand? Even you are adding spaces at the beginning or at the end, no problem at all. To remove spaces, how many methods are available? Yes. How many methods are available? 3 methods, right? What is the first one? L strip. Okay. It is going to remove the spaces only at beginning of the string. It is going to remove the spaces at end of the string. it is going to remove the spaces at beginning of the string and the end of the string. That's all. And where you can use this method, can you explain with a small scenario? Already scenario also I explained. Clear? Then immediately some people may ask the question. Sir, can you tell, sir, what about lowercase and uppercase? Are you getting? Then how you can able to do that? Yes, sir, those methods are there. So that methods we will discuss soon. Up to this is the clear. Are you able to understand, right? Okay, that's all, sir. Just I'm stopping the session. So tomorrow we will meet for the continuation part.